Remember these 15 rules of life. 1. Your body is your temple. Keep it healthy. Health should be your #1 priority at all times, because when you lose your health, nothing else matters. Strength training is the healthiest exercise for a man with bonus benefits such as self-esteem, moral, and much more. 2. Don't settle. Most men quietly settle for their lot in life. Not you. If another man can be rich, why can't you? If another man shave luxury car, why can't you? If another man can travel the world, why can't you? If another man moves to a better city or a better county, why can't you?
3. Time is your most precious asset. Use it wisely. Investing your time to improve yourself will pay dividends in the long run. Think long term. Remember, time equals life. Wasted time is wasted life. Watching TV, killing time on social media, watching porn have zero benefits in long run. 4. Always be working to be self-reliant. A man has to fend for himself. Relying on other people is unsafe. Self-reliance is a must to live your life on your own terms. Don't live other people's lives. Your ultimate goal should be to be self-reliant at all times.
5. Learn how to deal with boredom. The time spent in investing yourself will involve a lot of boredom and loneliness. Humans are terrified of boredom, so they are always on the lookout for their next activity. Loneliness is a luxury. Learning how to deal with boredom is a must when you are working.
6. Have the courage to fail at school. You are taught to be terrified of failure, but real life doesn't work that way. Like M.J. DeMarco said, failure is the sweat of success. Each failure will teach you valuable lessons, which can't be taught at school or anywhere else. Come out of your comfort zone.
7. Eliminate shame. People will always try to shame you into mediocrity. Shame is a slave emotion. It's usually the result of breaking the rules. As long as you don't break the law, you don't have to follow the rules society imposes on you.
8. Never stop learning. Education doesn't end the moment you graduate from college. You will never know it all, but knowledge is power. The more knowledge you accumulate, the more success you will have. Be humble and keep learning. Learning is an art. Learn it.
9. Never fear rejection. Most men can't handle rejection, so they never ask for what they want. Don't hesitate to ask for what you want. If you don't ask for it, you will not get it. Nothing is given to a man on a silver plate. You must go and get it. Rejection is an inevitable part of being a man. 10. Practice financial discipline at all times. Spend less money than you make. Lack of financial discipline will destroy you, even if you make $1 million a month. There are too many figures who lost everything not because they weren't rich, but because they were reckless with their spending.
11. Make money. Forget about all the societal conditioning that money doesn't buy happiness. Money is evil, blah, blah, blah. Money is a necessity. If you don't have your own money, you have to ask for it from other people. Money buys you freedom. If you have money, you can do whatever you want.
12. Stop caring what others think of you. Other people want to keep you down. Everybody secretly wants you to fail. They will try to instill in you doubts about yourself. If you doubt your worth, abilities, and potential, you will not be successful. You don't need anybody's approval.
13. Always be willing to walk away. A willingness to walk away from any deal, job, or relationship is a reliable indicator of non-neediness to abundance mindset, power, fearlessness, self-respect, integrity, freedom, strength, confidence, and peace of mind.
14. Focus on solutions, not problems. No matter your stage in life, there will be problems in your life. Resist the urge to complain about your problems and focus on the solutions. Treat your problems as a training method to become wiser and stronger. Hardship will forge your character like steel.
15. Start today. There will never be a perfect time to start working on your goal. Start today. Even if you can only work on a worthy goal for only 1 hour today, it's still better than doing nothing. Start today, it's never late.